Hello friends, today I'm going to show you how to create the database in Oracle 12c. So for that you have to go Oracle 12c on the Windows OS. So you see my OS like it's Windows 10. So now I'm going to open the command prompt. You must open as a run as administrator. Okay, then click yes. So now I'm going to create the database using DBCA tool. So let's see what is a DBCA tool. It's a database configuration assistant. Okay, so now I'm gonna to execute the DBCA command on the command prompt using administrator prompt. So yes, enter. Then you can see there is a Oracle 12c wizards will come. So here you can see there are some five options are there. One is the create database and configure an existing one and delete and manage pluggable database. So the create database, now we are going to see only the create the database. If you want to do any modification for the existing database like enable the vault or other features, then you go to the second option. And third one, the delete database, you want to delete the existing database, then you can delete it. Then manage template, it's like you can create the structure of the database like if you created early any templates. So let's go on the first option, create database, then click next. So it's initializing the default configuration. So now we'll go ahead things like let's wait for the loading on the second page. You see there are the left side panel, you can see the database operation creation mode. Now we are in creation mode. So now I'm going to create the now I'm going to give the database name. So you must give the database name according to environment. So now I'm going to give like it's test uh, for test 2. Let me give the test 2, the database name test 2. File system, you can see there are two file system. One is ASM and normal file system. Then file system like the local, I'm going to create using my local disk. In your environment there are any ASMs there, then you can select the ASM, then you must create the the file group. So that one we can see in later other videos. So now the next one we are going to select the database file location. So what is the database file location? All the data file will store on this location. So now I'm going to browse. So I'm going to select my PC, then I'm going to create on the Oracle. So I'll just using that I'm just creating the folder. The folder name is test2. So you see the new folder. I'm just giving the new folder name. Then I'm creating another folder. Okay. So under this new folder we can create. So meanwhile, I go and edit the new folder names like I'm going to this one. I'm going to rename. It's test2. Then I'm just rename this one also the data. Then I'm going to create one more folder. It's FRA. So there are two folder must you need to create, and then so it will the data file will store on the data folder on the test folder. So let's see. So I'm just going back. Then I'm click the PC, then Oracle, then you go and see the test to here. I select the data, then I click OK. And the next one for the FIA, I'm going to the FIA, then I'm clicking the Oracle, then I go to the test folder, then inside the test folder I have the FIA folder, then I click OK. Then there are the database character set. So based on your architecture, like SA, based on SA suggestion, you have to select the character set. So if you are doing any migration, this will be the impact later on. So you must make sure which character sets they want to set. Okay. Then the default is AL to US. Okay. Now that is administrative password. This you can at any first time you can give any password, but this one you must maintain later if it must be required on later on time. Okay. Then I give the confirm administrative password. Okay. then I give the Oracle home user password. So if you don't know the Oracle home user password, or you will face any problem on the Oracle home user, so simply you go and select the the installation binary on the Oracle. Just click the start menu, then go to the um, Oracle Home 11G. You see there is Aura DB 11G. Here you click, then just there will be the menu like an update password for Oracle Home. Just right click or no, just double click, then you will get the prompt. Click yes. You see there is a prompt message. So Oracle Home user for the current Oracle Home is DBA. So there is Oracle Home is pointed to DBA user. Okay. So let's see the DBA user have or not. Let's see. So you have to go to computer management. Here you can see the DBA user. Okay. So if you want, you can set the password here, reset the password with a new password, then you can log in, then you use the same password to the Oracle installation. So now I'm going to give the password for for the Oracle home user. Okay, we just ignore the container database and advanced configuration, click next. So now it's checking all the storage. Well, it will check all the things like first it check the global name, then storage type. If it is there, then the database all file path. Then see it's giving the memory like creating database required the physical memory creating. So now we are just looking that the example. So we can give the yes to continue. For in your environment, you must check with your system team to increase the memory. Okay, click yes. So there are the final consolidated list here. So you can see the initialization parameters and character set, data file location, counter file location, data log location, all have here. If you want to create the response file here also you can create. Later you can for a script execution anything you can use the save response file using the, if you are using any Solaris OS, then you can use the this response file to create the database. So now I'm going to give the finish. So I'm going to click the finish. So you see it's going to be create, see it's going to be the process. First it will copy the data file, then it create and the unique instance, then it will complete the database creation. Then there will be a post execution configuration, like just set the password for sys and system user. Okay. That's all, friend. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video. Please subscribe and my channel if you are happy my video. Thank you.